Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Pigeon here. And we're back. And we're here with this butt cat. See this cat right here? Oh, wait. Never mind. Well, the butt... I keep clicking that, thinking that's the thing. Key the butt cat. Say hi. Key. That's Key's farts, because he's a butt cat. We got Heltama, the sleepy cat. Last video I got 2 cats in here. Wait, why is he closer to my room? Both of them. It's really weird. Like you already see the thing. Hiko, Chan, and her big brother. Go to the shop. One of you, quantity 1, buy. 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 And you, last one, quantity 1, buy. Running out of silverfish. Okay. Oh, you're eating. Kitten has been born. Oh my gosh. I got a kitten. I got a kitten. What did I do with the kitten? My kitten's laying down. You don't want food? Okay. I'm just checking something. It told me to manually check this place, or keep checking this place. What is a makeover for this house? Oh, room makeover. Heiku's Island. No, makeover. Flame of Peace. Yes. There's a cat in the background. I'm keeping it to this. This is awesome. Here, you have some food. You have some food. You have some food. You have some. Oh, you already got food. And want any more food? You seem like you would, because you're like my cat Frankie. He eats a lot. my real life cat, Frankie. That cat's really cute. I like that one. Wait, I just realized the flag is a fish. I just came back here and there's like 3 new cats. And one's on a flag. And one's really fat. Two and a half hours? Why do I keep checking that? Now this cat's standing up. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.